Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Christian and this is CXC Beauty. On today's video we are going to do a little bit of Valentine's Day makeup, but I am going to be trying out some new for me products. The other day I went to Ulta and I bought the Kylie Cosmetics Skin Concealer and it literally changed my life. That concealer is so freaking good, well in my opinion. It's so good. I decided to go and try more Kylie products. I don't know if you've seen my video from way back in the day from about 3 years ago, but I had bought the Kylie Bronze Palette, which was like one of her first eyeshadows or one of her first products. And I bought this when it launched, and this is actually the original packaging and everything. I believe they come in black now, but I didn't really try any of her other products since then, so I was really excited and I bought a bunch of stuff. I also bought some KKW Beauty Products because I said might as well try both sisters' cosmetic lines, so I bought some things from there too. And I'm going to show you what I bought and then we're going to do a little Valentine's Day look. But before we start the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our videos. We do upload now Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So yeah, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. Also give this video a big thumbs up, we would greatly appreciate it. And without further ado, let's get into the video. After I bought that concealer, I went back and I got a lip kit. So I got this one, and this is in the shade Kylie. So this comes with one liquid lipstick and a lip liner. I got these three, one's a blush, and I got in the shade Rosy. I got a highlighter in the shade Cheers Darling, and I got a bronzer in the shade Almond. I also went ahead and picked up one of her setting powders, and this one is in translucent. And then of course I already have the concealer, and the shade I got was Birch. Then from KKW's side, I picked up the contour kit that is super famous now. This is the tan one. So these are the little contour sticks. They have one for contour and one for highlight in this kit. And then I picked up one palette from KKW, and this is the Classic Blossom palette. So here we have the bronzer, well, the blush, highlighter, and bronzer. So this is the colors I chose. And then the little translucent powder, which looks like this. The lip kit, which is a nudish mauve tone. The concealer, the highlight and contour sticks. And then this is the KKW palette, which is like neutrals and then some plummy shades. And then there's mattes and shimmers in this palette. Okay, so I've already done my eyebrows. So I'm gonna go in and start with the complexion. I absolutely love these little compacts. They're so cute, and I love that they're pink and they're like really like pocket friendly. Well, I don't know why you would put it in your pocket, but purse or bag friendly, or you could put it in this little pocket here. You can take your little blush on the go. But I'm gonna go ahead and start with my foundation, and this is the one I always use, the L'Oreal. Neither Kylie or Kim have foundations as of yet. They both do carry concealers, but I obviously picked up the Kylie one because they only have certain things at Ulta, and for some reason they don't carry Kim's concealers, but they carry Kylie's. So everything I bought was at Ulta, so I was limited to what they had in the store. Okie dokie, so now I have my base down. I'm gonna go in with the Kylie concealer, and this is in the shade Birch. Now this is the only product out of all of these that I've tried so far, and I absolutely love it. And then I'm just blending that out with a beauty blender. Just feel like this concealer makes me look so snatched. It's like flawless skin right away. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of this translucent powder and a little CXC Beauty cheek defining brush. And I'm just gonna set the under eyes a little bit. That way they don't crease up. So when I tried these out in the store, they're like a really creamy consistency, nothing like I've ever used before. And there is two sides, so I'm not sure which side to use. I think this side's gonna be the more contour shade, maybe. And this side's gonna be the more warm tone. Okay, so this lighter side is gonna be the more contour shade. So I'm gonna start with that. And I'm gonna go draw it on my face. And then I'm gonna blend it out with my beauty blender. Now it is blending out really nicely right away, so that's good. And it's very subtle. It's not like as contour as I thought it was gonna be. So now I'm gonna try a little bit of the other side, and it's like the more warm side, and I'm gonna use that as like a bronzer. Yeah, that's really nice. I'm also gonna take a little bit on the sides of my nose. And I'm gonna use a little brush to blend this out. Now I'm gonna take my beauty blender and finish blending. And now I'm gonna take the highlight side. I'm not gonna use the matte side, I'm just gonna use the shimmer side. And I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on. That's very pretty as well. It's very subtle, but it gives a nice like natural glow. Okay, next I'm gonna go into the Kylie bronzer, and I'm gonna take that on this little bronzing brush that I have. And I'm kind of setting my contour and cream bronzer with this. Do I look like Kim Kardashian yet? Okay, now before I do anything else, I'm gonna jump into eyes. So we have our little KKW palette here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into eyeshadow, and I'm gonna go into this shade right here, which is called Tree, which I don't know why it's called Tree, but that's what it's called. And I'm taking that shade on a CXC Beauty Fluffy Blender Brush. Start building this up.
You know, they're probably like us, babe. A lot of inside jokes with their color shade names.
It's a very like neutrally cool tone brown. Very pretty. Now I'm gonna jump straight into this shade, which is called Hanami. And I'm gonna take that on a CXC Beauty Precision Blender Brush. And I'm gonna use this to deepen this up a little bit. Now jumping back into my fluffy blender brush, I'm just gonna use this to blend that shade out a little bit. And now I'm gonna use a little bit of this ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is medium 20, and I'm gonna use this to cut the crease. So I'm cutting my crease slightly different this time. I was looking at Kim Kardashian, how her crease is usually cut, and it's usually not like circled into her inner corner, it's cut straight into like this area right here, which I thought was interesting. So I'm gonna try it. And then before that sets, I'm going to take this light shade Japan and I'm going to pack that right into the concealer. Now I'm going to mix a little bit of this color, which is a more pinky tone, and it's called Chi. With a CXC Beauty Pro pencil brush, I'm going to jump back into the shade Tree. And just concentrating that right on the tip of the brush, I'm going to use that to blend the cut crease line just a little bit. Now with that same brush, we're going to hop back into this reddish shade called Hanami. And I'm just blending out this outer part of the cut crease. Now I'm going to jump into this middle shimmery shade right here called West with my CXC Beauty shader brush. And I'm just gently tapping that color over the center of my lid, just for a slight sheen. I don't want anything too metallic. I want it very Kim Kardashian, which is more subtle. Now I'm gonna hop into this plummy shade right here called Season, and I'm taking that on this little Anastasia brow brush, and I'm almost gonna use that just to deepen my lash line on the outer corners. I'm using it sort of as a liner. Now jumping back into my little pencil brush, I'm gonna buff that out slightly. Jumping back into the palette, we're gonna go in with Tree and the same pencil brush, and I'm gonna take that into my lower lash line. And I'm kind of just taking all the same shades that I used up top and mimicking what I did up top on the bottom. Now taking a clean pencil brush, I'm gonna go back into West, and I'm gonna put that into my inner corner. Okay, now I'm gonna put some mascara on, pop some lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I went ahead and put a flesh tone liner in my waterline. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of this mascara and I'm gonna put it in my lower lashes. Almost said lower lash line. But I only put it on the outer corner. I don't do the full lower lashes anymore. Okay, and that is it for eyes. I'm keeping it really subtle, very Kim Kardashian, Kylie Jenner. And for Valentine's Day, I feel like the eyes should be subtle, sultry, and very soft glam. But then again, you can do whatever you want to do. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into the little blush, and this is in the shade Rosy. And I'm gonna take that on a little blush brush. And I'm gonna try to build it up, go light and build it up. It's a very pretty color. And it is pretty pigmented. From what I saw on the reviews of Kylie Cosmetics, it said that the blushes weren't pigmented and they didn't stick, but I'm not having that problem. It seems to be applying perfectly, and the color is really nice. And now I'm gonna go into highlighter, which I think I'm the most excited about. So this one is Cheers Darling. Look like this. And I'm taking that on a CXC Beauty cheek defining brush. And I've never used highlighters before. Oh wow, that's beautiful. It's a very pretty highlighter. A little bit on my nose. And my Cupid's bow. Okay, now I'm gonna go into lips, and this is the first time I ever use a Kylie lip kit. So I'm gonna go in with the liner first. So right off the bat, the Kylie lip kit in shade Kylie The liner looks way more brown than the actual lipstick, but we shall see when I apply it. Okay, now I'm taking the liquid lipstick, and this is her matte formula. And yeah, the liner is definitely way more brown, whereas the actual lipstick is more pink. Very creamy formula for the lipstick. I really like that. Let's see how it dries down. I'm going to take the liner and blend it into the lipstick. It's actually a really gorgeous combination. What do you think, Ben? Very pretty, right? Okay guys, I'm gonna set my face really quickly. And there you have it, that is the completed look. Okay guys, my camera actually stopped recording at this moment and I didn't get to do an outro, but thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I really hope you enjoyed this Valentine's Day look and let me know what you thought about it in the comments. And I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye!